This is SOG Q4 Baton multi-tool. It comes in this nice leather case, magnetic closure. This side has all your bits. And here's your tool. It's in a sleeve on this one. This is the Q4. On this end, you have a place to put your bits, and it ratchets with this button. Pull it apart. You got your pliers. You have all your tools inside here. This is also a pocket carry. This is SOG Q4 Baton multi-tool. Just a fantastic everyday carry. Very classy. It's one of my favorite multi-tools that SOG put out. There you go. SOG out.